Hey guys, I've been working on elevators for a little bit, and I have a previous video of 3 elevators, and all of them are jerky, and all the elevators I see on YouTube are jerky. Or people have scissor lifts, and you press a button, they go all the way up. But if you want to go to a lower height, you would have to program the controller to different angles. So I thought about how can I make a perfect elevator, and I believe I found the answer. I did find the answer, and I think even apparently I'm the first one on YouTube. I haven't found anyone else doing it. So I'll just give a little demonstration. This is a traditional scissor lift right here, and you have the angle set, and it goes all the way up, and you can adjust the angles. But then every time for a tall lift, you're gonna have to reprogram the angles. But what you want is something like this. And I came to a realization on how to make this happen, because they're different angles, and that's what what the problem was. Anyway, let me just show it to you guys. And I'm using the WS key to get up, and you can see I'm adjusting this as I go, and it'll just stay there, which is exactly, well, it's slowly actually folding in. So you still need something to lock it in place, but it's fully adjustable. Until the angles get messed up, apparently, so you have to be careful. There we go. So it folds back in, and then you're going up just as much as you need to. And the way we do this, if you look so you have all your angles, right? But you got to think this one right here only needs to go up 90, while these two go up 180, and this one 90 again. So we have 3 engines, and the reason is that this one that only goes 90 degrees, the engine speed is half as fast as the one that goes 180. So this one is connected to this engine. It's going 180 degrees, so it's on level 2. So this is how you're basically able to have one bearing go 90 degrees, while the other one does 180 because it's going at half the speed. And everything in between, you're adjusting angles from between everything to 0 to 180, depending on the bearing. So yeah, I hope that's helpful, and I'm gonna incorporate that in my little my scissor lift truck that I've been building and I wasn't really happy with, and I also broke my elevator, which forced me to think of something else. And yeah, I think that'll probably be the best design solution. Anyway, I'll be back with more. Okay, here I added some legs real quick, just to show that it's, because earlier the platform was slightly angled, but that was just because it didn't have those legs and wasn't straight in the first place. So I just want to show how the platform stays perfectly straight while you're driving up. And then I guess if you stay and you let it fold, the angles will get slightly messed up, but if you bring it all the way down, it'll always reset itself on the ground. And once you get to the level that you're comfortable at, you can deploy sort of a locking mechanism like I displayed earlier. So I think this is probably the best elevator I can think of at this point. I'm gonna put it in my, and I haven't seen anyone do it on YouTube. I haven't seen anyone do an adjustable scissor lift. They just press a button and it goes all the way up, like I said. Yeah, I'll be back with more.